Here's a 2016 Lexus NX200T. This is the crossover for any urban adventure thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smart device navigation, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, and LED low-beam headlights. Motor Trend writes, "Our big takeaway is that the NX200T feels plenty powerful. Luxury awaits in every Lexus." They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.